Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure a HubSpot pipeline for customer onboarding in just a few simple steps. First, click the settings icon at the top right of your screen. The settings page opens showing the objects menu with deals already selected. Click the Pipelines tab to see your existing pipeline configurations. Now click the Create Pipeline button in the top right corner. A drop-down appears with two options, Create from Scratch and Clone Existing Pipeline. Select Create from Scratch, which opens a Create a Pipeline modal with a pipeline name field ready. Type your pipeline name into that field. For this example, I'm calling it Onboarding Pipeline. Click the Create Pipeline button at the bottom of the modal to save it. Your new pipeline appears in the editor view with a default stage already created. To add your first custom stage, click the Add Stage button on the right side. An Add Stage Name field appears below the existing stage. Type the name of your first onboarding stage. For this example, I'm using New Customer. Click the Save button in the top right to confirm the stage, and a success banner appears briefly at the top of the page. Once you're done configuring stages, click Back to Pipelines at the top left. You'll return to the Pipelines list, where your new onboarding pipeline now appears alongside your existing ones, ready to use with your deals. You can add as many stages as you need to match your actual onboarding process. Just keep clicking Add Stage and naming each one. To reorder stages later, simply drag and drop them into the sequence that makes sense for your workflow. If you need to edit stage names or delete a stage, come back to this pipeline editor and hover over the stage to see those options. And that's how to configure a HubSpot pipeline for customer onboarding. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.